Hi everybody, my name's Teresa and today we're going to make signs out of these old frames. So let's get to it. So you can go to Pinterest and get your free Cricut files, whatever you want. So I'm just taking the frames apart here so that we can paint them. I paint the back side of the glass. I don't paint the front of the glass. Sometimes, guys, I like to paint the frame and the backs of the glass the same color and just use different colors on my wording. And I had to use a case knife here because I forgot to bring the tool with me that I needed. You can also put a poly over top of this when you're done, or you can put decoupage over top of the wording if you want to do that. The way that I do them, I paint the back of the glass. I don't paint the front of the glass. So this part is not painted, it's painted on the reverse side. So that when you put these on there, you don't have a problem with your stickers peeling off or anything. My name's Teresa. My channel is Painted Treasures. If you like it, click the like button, and please subscribe. Thank you.